welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting video. It's a different video that I am going to be putting on my channel. I haven't done a hair video in so long. I think the last hair video I ever did, I feel like the one I recall is my hair routine video, which I did like 2 years ago, I think. This one's totally different and it went out my comfort zone. Anyways, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I bleached this hair to this nice, like, I don't even know what to call it. Like, I feel like it's honey blonde, but not necessarily. It's like a nice brown, reddish brown, and I am so in love with it. Like, I'm so proud of myself. I was so nervous to bleach this hair because I'm like, this is the first time I've ever done this, and I didn't want it to come out bad and regret it. And then yeah, but I love the way it came out. I've gotten so many compliments on it, and I literally just got it installed yesterday. If you haven't seen already, I did post a picture of this one on my Instagram. That post blew up. I think that's the most likes. No, I don't think it is. It is the most likes I've ever gotten on Instagram. So yeah. I'll be showing you how I bleach this hair in this video. Before I get into the video, just some specs on this hair. This is Unice hair in Brazilian body wave in 16, 18, and 20 inch. And yeah, I did not show this in the video, but I did end up using silicone mix after I bleached this hair because the bleach dried the hell out of this hair. Like, my ends look so dry. It even took out the body wave pattern in the hair, and I was like, oh my god. Like, so I did end up using silicone mix. I did not show that in the video. So like, after like I like deep condition it and everything, I went to the store, I got me some silicone mix, and then I just left the silicone mix in the hair for like an hour and a half, and then I put like a blow dryer on it to like put heat on it for like 5 minutes, let it sit for an hour and a half, and then I washed it out. And then it just worked wonders. Like, it brought back the wave pattern, and it felt so soft, and it just made the hair just come back to life. So silicone mix is magic in a jar, if you didn't know already, especially for like weaves and extensions. So if your weave does dry out after you bleach it, get you some silicone mix and it will save your life. Other than that, I think that's all I have for this video. I mean, for this intro video, because I don't like long intros. If you have any other questions about the hair or the process, then just let me know in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to answer that. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. So hi you guys, these are all the supplies that you'll need for this tutorial. All these supplies were purchased from Sally's, except the bundles, obviously. So basically you just need a mixing bowl, a brush, some clips, BW2 bleaching powder. You also need the 30 volume developer, some shampoo, a brush, a comb, or a comb. And I also got an ion repair solutions pack for the deep conditioning as well. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. So to start off, you're going to take your BW2 bleaching powder, your developer, in your bowl, and you're just going to mix all that together. I did 3 scoops of bleaching powder, and for the developer, I just poured it. And you're going to see, like in the video, I pretty much keep adding developer because, you know, you want the consistency to be like a pancake batter. So not too thick, but not too like loose and runny. So see me just do that and just keep mixing it and keep adding developer until you get the right consistency. And let you know start by putting the bleach on the ends, and as you can see, I'm holding the brush horizontally first, and then you'll see me use the brush vertically so you don't have that harsh blunt line going across your bundles, because you know that'd be ugly, and I know y'all be seeing girls with messed up ombre, and we don't want to be looking like that. So make sure you hold your brush vertically, like I'll be doing in a few seconds, to make sure you blend the ombre and it's more seamless and it's a more gradual effect. Then I'm gonna take a brush and I'm just gonna comb through the bleach through the hair. This is just gonna help make sure every strand is coated with bleach, and it also helps with making this ombre more seamlessly. And yeah, then as you can see, I'm gonna start bringing the bleach up to make like highlights. I'm kind of going for like a balayage method, so you'll see me put a few streaks here and there throughout the hair at the top, just to, like I said, make it seamless. No matter the time. I also forgot to mention, I did leave the bleach on the bundles for about 15 minutes, 10-15 minutes. I didn't want it to be too light, so yeah. Now I'm just gonna wash out all the bleach out the hair, and then I'm gonna basically just shampoo and condition it. For the conditioner, I use the Ion Deep Conditioner that you'll see me do right now. And I ended up putting that in a bag. So I'm just going to rub that conditioner all through the hair, put it in a plastic bag, and I let that sit for 15 minutes. Then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. What the hair looks like up close. As you can see, it has lots of like red tones. I feel like it does. It gives like a highlighted effect. Ombre. I just fucking love it. I love it. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see. As you can see, that's what it looks like in the back. That's how long it is. I'm 5'5", if you're wondering. So it comes down to like right here. No, my head's probably cut off. But yeah, I am in love with this hair, this color, and